In this video, I will guide you on how to fix system UI isn't responding on Samsung. First, you want to force restart your phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until your phone restarts. If the issue continues after restarting, try booting your phone into safe mode. Press and hold the power button and then press and hold the power off option until the safe menu appears. Enter the safe mode and check if the issue still occurs. This can help determine whether a third-party app is causing the problem. Next, you want to open the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap on this icon right here. Toggle on the option that says Show System Apps. Tap on OK. Now from here, select System UI. Here you want to tap on the Force Stop option. Tap on OK. After that, tap on Storage and here tap on Clear Cache. This can help resolve temporary issue with the system interface. Now head back and tap on Device Care. Here tap on Memory. Now tap on Clean Now option. By following these steps, you can fix system UI isn't responding on Samsung. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.